Service here at DS Diving Service. Today's date is August 8th, 2019. We're here with the 17-foot Bowrider. We're going to be doing a quick comparison video over at Harper Town Marina. Should be able to get most of that grass off. I'll go ahead and get started on the other half. Thank you again for choosing DS Diving Service. Have a good day.